Welcome to the Art Center Library. In this video, I will show you how to access the library's streaming media, while diving further into how to search and request videos in one of our streaming services, Canopy. First, from our homepage, select Online Resources. You will now see a list of the 64 online resources that the library offers. To quickly jump to streaming media, go to the three drop-down menus above, select the middle one, All Formats, and then Streaming Media. You will now have access to the 4 streaming media services that the library offers. We will now select Canopy. You must enter your Inside Art Center username and password, and then sign in. You will now have access to the Art Center Library's Canopy homepage. Below are categories of videos that the Art Center Library subscribes to. To watch a film, simply hover over the film, select Watch, and then select Play. To view a film by using the Browse function, go to Browse. You will then see a drop-down menu of categories. You will then see subcategories. Select on a particular subcategory, and now you will see all the films that the library offers under this category. To search and browse under Subject, simply click Browse. You will now see a list of all the subjects that Canopy offers. You will then select a certain subject, such as design, and now you will see all the videos that the library subscribes to under this subject. To search using the search field, simply enter your search term, and you will now see all the films that the library subscribes to under this search term. Below all the subscribed films, you will see, in this case, 35 videos you can request for your library. These are all films that the library currently does not subscribe to, but can be requested for subscription. Simply click on the title that you wish to subscribe to, and now you will be asked to enter your full name, email address, the course number or course title, whether you're a faculty member, an instructor, an undergraduate student, or a graduate student, and the reason for requesting this title. If you have any other questions regarding streaming media, how to access, or whether or not you can retrieve access, or any other research topic, please contact the library. Thank you.